the Garmin Fenix 7, and its AMOLED screen cousin, the Garmin Epix Pro, are still regarded as two of the best Garmin watches ever created. After years of anticipation, the Garmin Fenix 8 has finally received some exciting news. Early information has been leaked via a Finnish online store listing, with release dates appearing to be verified. Today, we will go over all we know about the new Garmin Fenix 8 series. Florian from the fitness tracker test website has reportedly discovered a significant leak on the Finnish online store Multitronic, revealing details about the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8. According to this leak, the new Garmin watch is set to launch in September 2024, marking a notable event for fitness enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike. The leaked information suggests that the Fenix 8 will be available in 3 different sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm. This sizing aligns with the current Fenix 7, offering a range of options to cater to various wrist sizes and preferences. The listed color options for the Fenix 8 include slate gray, steel, and black, both accompanied by the prefix WBLK, BND prefix, which presumably stands for with black band. Florian's analysis adds an interesting twist to the leak. He speculates that Garmin might discontinue the Epix name and standardize the AMOLED screen across all Fenix 8 models. This would be a significant upgrade from the Fenix 7's low poly MIP screen, providing users with a more vibrant and high-contrast display. An AMOLED screen would enhance readability and provide a more modern look and feel, potentially attracting a broader audience. In addition to the mainline Fenix 8 models, Florian hints at a possible introduction of a more budget-friendly variant known as the Garmin Fenix E. This model would retain the MIP screen to keep costs lower, making it accessible to a wider range of consumers without sacrificing the essential features that make Garmin watches popular. However, it's important to note that the Multitronic leak does not confirm this model. It only provides information on the launch dates and the sizes and colors of the upcoming Fenix 8. Florian's blog also touches on potential pricing, though specifics are yet to be confirmed. As the launch date approaches, more concrete details will likely emerge, providing a clearer picture of what the Garmin Fenix 8 series will offer to fitness enthusiasts. So, what we want to see? An update to the Fenix 8 would need to incorporate a slightly enhanced AMOLED screen, aligning with the advancements seen in the more recent Garmin Forerunner series. Additionally, an upgraded heart rate sensor is crucial for improved accuracy. To stay competitive with the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and other adventure watches, integrating some form of AI into Garmin Connect is almost inevitable. Garmin already employs sophisticated personalization algorithms to recommend daily workouts, generate routes for runs and rides, and create training programs. The use of AI would streamline these processes, making them more efficient and faster while also adding extra detail and information. A solar model featuring Garmin's battery extending power glass technology would be a valuable addition, provided Garmin can adapt its power glass to work with an AMOLED display. So that's all about Garmin's Fenix 8 Pro. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.